Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best brass pins is probably one of the most underappreciated components in knife making, but they play a crucial role. These small, yet mighty, pins are the backbone of your knife handle, holding everything together with strength and style. Today, we're diving deep into the world of brass pins, exploring why they're a favorite among knife enthusiasts and how they can elevate your next project. Number 5. Brass rods for knife handles and DIY crafts. These brass rods are made of high-quality H59 brass, ensuring durability and safety. They are perfect for various DIY projects and crafts. The set includes rods with diameters ranging from 1.5 mm to 8 mm, and all are 100 mm in length. This variety ensures you have the right size for your specific needs. The rods come neatly organized in a plastic box for easy storage and portability. It keeps them in order and prevents loss. These brass rods are ideal for a wide range of applications, including DIY crafts, model planes, ships, and cars. You can use them for various shaft projects. The package includes a variety of rod sizes and quantities. You'll receive a comprehensive set to meet all your project requirements. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of sizes, perfect for any project. The included box keeps everything organized and easy to find. If you are working on multiple projects or need different sizes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. As described. Works. Functional. Have bought 3 sets now. Perfect for knife makers and a pretty good value. Great assortment of sizes. They were perfect for my last project. Big range of sizes, works well for me. Number 4. Moxweyeni brass rods 2 mm for DIY craft. Introducing these brass rods, perfect for your crafting needs. The package includes 40 pieces, providing you with plenty to work with. Each rod is about 25 cm long and 2 mm in diameter, making them easy to handle. This size is ideal for various projects, from knife handles to model making. These brazing rods are ideal for welding, with a melting point of 2190 degrees Fahrenheit. Use them for sculpture, model work, or circuit board repairs. Apply them to model planes, boats, wood crafts, and knife handles. Let your imagination run wild and add your personal touch to your creations. Made of quality brass, these rods are durable and resistant to rust. They are designed to maintain their shape and appearance over time. What we like. With a large quantity, you'll have plenty to work with. The brass is also easy to weld, making it ideal for complex designs. If you are a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable and easy-to-use material, this is the one for you. What people say. Exactly as described. Works well with stained glass solder. We use these as the stems for our stained glass flowers. Very good, easy to solder. Number 3. Cutlers Cutlery Brass Rivets 516x58. These rivets are the perfect size for your knife making projects. They are easy to store and won't take up too much space. The sets are selective and meet your daily use and replacement needs. This product is designed to fit all kinds of knife handles and tools. Whether it's a steak knife or a chef's knife, it's a good helper for decorating your kitchen tools and DIY hobbies. These brass rivets are made of high-quality materials. They are sturdy, durable, and resistant to corrosion and rust. The exquisite craftsmanship ensures they are smooth, beautiful, and firm. Installation is simple. Just drill a hole and tighten the screw. The 2 parts combine under pressure to form a bonded joint. You can then sand or file down any excess to create your unique knife. Please confirm the size before purchase. The product is brand new and unopened. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will reply as soon as possible. What we like. These rivets are designed to fit any knife you have. Made from high-quality materials, they are built to last. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen tools or enjoy DIY hobbies, these are the perfect choice. What people say. It was the right size, and the pieces are strong. I was able to repair my butcher knife handle in a few minutes' time. I would recommend this product. These pins have a nice look. Really tight fit between pieces. The tightness requires care to prevent bending. These worked perfect. Holds the handle nice and tight. Only had to use a hammer to put them together. Number 2. WOODRIVER 360 Brass Knife Pin Stock 316 x 6 inch. This is the WOODRIVER 360 Brass Knife Pin Stock. It's made with precision and designed for durability. This product is perfect for your next project. Crafted from high-quality 360 brass, this pin stock offers excellent strength and corrosion resistance. It ensures a long-lasting performance for your creations. The pin stock comes in a 3/16 diameter and is 6 inches long. Its dimensions make it ideal for various knife-making applications. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this pin stock is suitable for a wide range of projects. It provides the reliability you need. Each package includes 2 pieces of the WOODRIVER 360 brass knife pin stock. It gives you the flexibility to complete multiple projects. What we like. These pins come in a specific size, making them ideal for precise projects. They are also durable and easy to work with. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use option for your knife handles, consider this. What people say. The product was SA advertised. I used it to pin the scales on a knife building project and it worked fine. Have used these on 2 knives and they work great. They are nice quality and I would definitely buy again as needed. They are brass rods so there isn't much to review. I measured the length and diameter and they both match the description so I'm quite pleased with the purchase. Number 1. Sutemribor Brass Round Rods Kit, 48 pieces. This is a Sutemribor Brass Round Rods Kit. It includes 48 pieces of golden brass rods, perfect for various DIY projects. The kit is designed for crafting and making. The rods come in a variety of diameters, ranging from 1 mm to 8 mm. This assortment ensures that you have the right size for your specific needs. They are 100 mm in length. These brass rods are great for DIY craft making, knife making pins, and handle pins. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any craft enthusiast. It is easy to work with. Made of high-quality brass, this kit offers durability and a beautiful golden finish. The material ensures longevity and a professional look for your projects. It is a great choice. With this Sutemribor kit, you have a complete solution for your crafting needs. It provides all the necessary sizes in one convenient package. Get yours today. What we like. This kit offers a range of sizes to suit your needs. The golden color adds a touch of elegance to your projects. If you want a versatile and visually appealing option for your knife making, this is the one for you. What people say. Use for my knife handles. Free machining brass. Just what I needed. Perfectly round. The 12-inch length is superb for pistols and revolvers and as it's brass it's less likely to damage the rifling in your guns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.